Ali. Na bata-bata dati ni Secretary Jun Ibasco na nag-aaway din sila. Parang Maricon din yan eh. Si Ate Maricon madaldal, si Ate Ali madaldal. Na bata siya ni Montulfo. Ali! O, dikit kay Montulfo yun eh. Si Ali? Ang alam ko meron siyang agency ng security. Pero, hindi. OFW.
Saan sa Pilipinas?
Dito. May agency yun eh. Tay, ang dami kong ka-Facebook na taga-PDEA. Cordillera, Region 3, Region 4, Region 5, Visayas, Mindanao, mga taga-PDEA, mga ka-Facebook ko. O, mga bago na eh. Mga bago na. Yan ang dati nilang boss. Sabi ko, ito ang dating boss ng PDEA. Paisip rating na lang si tatay, oh. Retired na eh. Retired na. Dahil nung nakaraan, dapat pupunta ako. Pupunta dapat ako sa'yo nung huling baba ko noon. Nung nakaraan linggo. Ayun nga pala, sabi ni Kuya ni Yosek Joel, tawagan mo ko nyo pag nakay tatay ka. Iko. Si Undersecretary. Malacanang din siya. Under siya ni Secretary Martin Andalar. Presidential Media Bureau Affair. Siyang Undersecretary ng Media Bureau Affair ng Malacanang.
I think it carries an impact. I would love to see some pop culture, people that people look up to or admire.
Kahit ngayon mga Christmas party sa Malacanang, stop lahat ngayon. Walang Christmas party. Wala.
Dr. Rodriguez, great to see you. Thank you for your advice and information on the show today. Well, health officials have released.
Wala, di matawagan si Yosef Joel at Joel.
Canada and the US have the most new cases, but the regional picture overall is complex because of pervasive.
Akala ko kumain na kayo. Hindi pa pala kayo kumain? Ito na si nanay, nakita ko eh. No. Pagpasok ko, nakita ko siya eh. Hindi, nakita ko siya.
Now, it's directed half of all deaths and infections have occurred in
wala, kaya nat-direction sa ko ni Yosef Joel.
United States and Brazil, #1 and #2 in terms of deaths. And
sabi niya, kamusta na ako kita tayo? May number kami niya, tawagan mo. Ito na nag-ring na. Pag walang meeting to, sasagot to.
Now, she also points out that in some of these regions, they were already not very well equipped to deal with this kind of a healthcare crisis, and that continues. She does point out that in places like Latin America, they were able to double ICU capacity in very few months. She points to that kind of behavior, which she hopes will continue countries who contribute to developing nations in both Latin America and South America to make sure that they can fully recover from this virus. CNN. Well, South Korea has reported another 22 deaths from COVID-19, its highest daily toll since the pandemic began. The country is now seeing its worst wave of COVID infections, and as Paula Hancock's reports, I should say, countries are struggling to keep up with the rapid surge of cases. The lunchtime rush at a South restaurant with almost every table taken. One diner tests positive for coronavirus. The search begins for who else may be affected.
Okay naman.
Confirming the patient ID from a health official to an epidemiologist investigator. Checks follow.
Di, mababa na. Bumababa na. Pero kahit naman sabihin mo, Tay, ang Bagyo, kaya sabihin mong medyo may mga cases, ikumpara mo sa buong syudad, sa buong Pilipinas, kami pa rin ang may pinakamababa. Kami pa rin ang may bababang kaso. Hindi ko alam. Ewan.
Ni Lorenzana yan.
Si Lorenzana? Si DND? Si Secretary Lorenzana? Kaman mo yung kamista mo? Kamista nyo? Ayaw nga palang kamista mo si Esperon, si Dani. Saka si ano? Si Resimato. Oo. General Reynaldo ako?
Si Ali, pag yung gusto na kami, nagmamadali.
O makulit.
Sabi ko sa kanya, yung gusto niya.
Saka pa-iba-iba siya ng cell number ngayon.
Ang hirap ng
At di ba kilala mo si Ate Astra? Naik. Ha? Naik. Pinsan ni Senator Coco Pimentel. Nagdemanda sila mga yan. Oo. Pati ako, dinami ako sa demanda ni Ate Astra. Pero medyo okay-okay na.
Nakakalaban naman ni Astra.
Si Ale. Ewan ko, ano mga pinagkasabi ni Ate Ale? Ngayon ko ka lang nalaman sa'yo na nasa Amerika na siya eh. Akala ko nasa Pilipinas lang.
Hindi, akala ko paano siya. Bigla, bilakan.
Hindi, nandyan lang yan. Kasi bago magka-COVID, nung may COVID na eh, nagkakausap kami sa phone eh. Kaya lang, pa-iba ang number niya. Papalit-palit siya ng cellphone. Baka nga dumanaw kay General din eh. Mr. Danny.
Kalabang mortal ni Ali, Greco.
Sino?
Greco.
Bilhi ka? Dati naman magkasundo silang dalawa.
Sinisiraan daw siya ni Greco.
Sinisiraan.
Sinabete, rumis daw siya. Tatawa nga ako.
Juicy and flavorful.
Kaya may monterey yung sarap-sarap.
Available at Monterey Meat Shop. Meats you can trust.
Malakas ang San Miguel po siya kayo, no? San Miguel yan.
Oh, ano kayo sa San Miguel, di ba? Nasa San Miguel kayo eh. Sana walang meeting si General Lim.
Dalawa lang kayo?
Opo. Bigas lang ang pinick up ko sa ano, dito.
Hindi mo ko sa'yo, ba't dati yung bodyguard?
Hindi ako makakilos pagkasama na ngayon.
Gano'n?
General Lim. Hindi. Hello, sir. Sir, nandito ako sa bahay ni General Dionisio Santiago. Nandito ako sa bahay ni General Santiago. Ni Manong Dionisio. Ito po.
Dani, ito, nanggugulo na naman. Alaga mo to eh.
Sabi mo, dadaan ako sa kanya, nasa office.
O, guguluhin ka na. Umalis ka na, guguluhin ka nito. Ito, kakausapin ka, maggugulo rin.
Hindi sir. Kasi sabi ko, sabi niya, saan ka pupunta? Pauwi na ng bangkit, tapos dadaan ako kay General eh. May magkalapit lang kayo dito eh. And then, nangolekta kasi ako ng mga bigas na pamimigay sa taas. Sabi ko, daan ako sa Sir Danny bago ko uwi ng Baguio. Sige sir, nandito lang ako sa bahay. Malapit lang sa sayo eh. Sa opisina niyo po eh. Okay sir, thank you po. Thank you po.
Hindi rin umaalis sa opisina yan.
Oh, hindi.
Yung binasa office.
Pag nandyan ako sa office niya, paghantayin ako ng sekretary, gagawin ko, tatawagan ko. Ngayon, ang kasabot ko sa kanya, yung security mismo sa may pintuan. Yung pupunta tayo sa pintuan. Sa baba? Oo, walang kausap si sir, wala. Tawagan mo na para makapasok.
Malalay na rin mga tao eh.
Mga Marines eh.
Hindi, mga tao niya galing isa. Sila June sa sila.
June Centino? Si June.
Palapok. Si Wing-Wing. Maliit.
People are angry. Trump's press
Bata
secretary said he was including
Akala ko
himself
Marines
in
mga
that
yun.
category. This president, he's made clear his thoughts about
Why intelligent?
McConnell.
Nag-positive yan sa COVID eh.
Also blamed his loss not on the way he
nag-positive.
Pandemic, but on Fox
Buti nga eh.
News, claiming their coverage was, quote, perhaps the biggest
Pinababa na?
difference between 2016 and 2020. The president made no mention of how McConnell has also pleaded with Senate Republicans not to join efforts by their colleagues in the House to challenge Biden's win when Congress ratifies it on January 6th.
May topak din daw to eh, itong bagong uupo.
Alabama Congressman Mo Brooks that is all but certain to fail.
The law is very clear. The House of Representatives, in combination with the United States Senate, has the lawful authority to accept or reject electoral college votes
Ayaw magpatalo.
election systems that they're not worthy of our trust.
With only 4 weeks left in office, President Trump held a cabinet meeting for the first time in 7 months today. Today's meeting was closed to the press, which is rare, but could have been because Trump's Attorney General...
Hindi ko, tinatawagan ko si Maricon, hindi matawagan. Aayain ko sana rito.
And Trump has considered firing his CIA and FBI directors. No one from the
Nandito lang yun, katatapos lang ng birthday niya eh.
Justice Departments attended today's meeting. A CNN
Malapit na rin birthday ko, January 7.
for special counsel
January 7.
to investigate his baseless allegations of voter fraud and for the
Yun ang damit ni Sir.
investigation into
Yun o,
Hunter
4
Biden.
star o.
Sources
Ano mo?
say Trump
Ito.
considers it
4
payback
star.
for the
Ano nakalagay?
investigation into his possible
Ayan,
ties to Russia, led by special counsel Robert
Ayan.
Mueller.
4. Apat. Yan o. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And of course, the remaining
Yeah.
question is whether or not the
Papa.
person who's taking over from Bill Barr when he leaves the Justice Department next week, Jeff Rosen, will actually appoint those special counsels.
Madadali kayo ng ulan ah.
And it's sort of orders he
Hindi, may sasakyan naman. Sakay pa din ako sa sakyan ngayon, parang Starex. Malapad.
He declined to say whether or not he would appoint them, and instead said that he should continue
Oh.
the work that they've been doing.
Hindi, bahay ni
Justice Department.
opisina ni General Lim. Diyan lang oh.
Indication he doesn't agree with Trump. Caitlin Collins, CNN, the White House.
Let's now head to New York and CNN political analyst Patrick.
Nasa meeting siguro si Kuya Joel.
Politics editor Patrick, great to have you with us.
Sabi ko tawag siya eh.
Donald Trump, he obviously refuses to accept defeat. He's now pushing, as we reported, for the appointment of special counsels to investigate his baseless allegations of voter fraud and allegations surrounding Hunter Biden. Do you think that any of this will get off the ground?
You know, it's not likely. President Trump is
Uy,
just
gusto ko muna to. Manigil ako.
You have Mitch McConnell,
Tay,
who is really
manigil ko lang ako.
the key Republican.
Hindi pa naman umaambon. Ay, umambon na. Bye-bye na.